Hi there, I'm Bob Eubanks. Hey, I want to talk to you about a serious bedroom problem. No, not that problem. Snoring. It's a problem that affects 90 million Americans. And it doesn't just affect the person who's snoring.
I woke up every night to this horrific sound. The earplugs weren't working, the pillow over my head wasn't working, so I ended up going and sleeping in the floor of our closet.
Zypa-Rx is the new breakthrough in science, guaranteed to stop your snoring the moment you place it in your mouth. Zypa-Rx is the only device with breakthrough Z-Flex technology. It redirects the airflow,